Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are breaking down the difference between Solana and Ethereum. If you've ever been confused on which one to use, this video is for you. Let's keep it simple and straight. Solana and Ethereum are both blockchains. Think of them like highways. They help you move information, tokens, and NFTs. People build apps on them, just like websites on the internet. So for the speed and the cost, Solana is known for being super fast and cheap. It can handle lots of transactions per second. Great for gaming, NFTs, and fast apps. Transactions cost less than a cent. Then for Ethereum, it's slower and more expensive. Gas fees can be cheap sometimes or even more expensive depending on traffic. So let's talk about the security and decentralization. Ethereum is more decentralized, meaning more people help run the network. This makes it more secure but also slower. Solana is faster because it has fewer nodes and uses a unique system. That makes it efficient, but some say it's less decentralized. But I don't agree to that. Then let's talk about the ecosystems. Ethereum has been around longer. It has a huge ecosystem, more apps, more tools, and more users. Solana is newer but growing fast, especially with NFTs, gamings, and fast DeFi tools. So which one should you use? If you want speed and low fees, Solana is great. If you care about security, stability, and wide adoption, Ethereum is a solid choice. But the good news is, wallets like Phantom let you use both, so you don't have to choose one. Just try and explore the two blockchains. And that is it, guys. Solana versus Ethereum made simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more crypto tips like this. See you in the next one.